Want quick access to tools and features in Microsoft Edge? In this tutorial, learn how to enable the sidebar in just a few steps. Launch the Edge browser on your device. Click on the menu icon, 3 dots, in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand menu, choose Sidebar. Locate the option labeled Always Show Sidebar at the top. Toggle the switch to the On position, indicated by a blue oval. The sidebar will now appear on the right side of your browser window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.